Welcome to the AI Business Hub, where we give you short, useful tips and mini courses on how to use AI in your business. In this mini course, we will explore how you can use ChatGPT in your business to cut costs and save time. So let's start out by talking about some of the surprising things you can do with ChatGPT to help you with day-to-day stuff. From now on, I am going to call ChatGPT Chat, so I don't have to continually say the whole name. Let's start with wanting a low-carb, healthy meal with the food you have in your fridge. Take some photos of what you have in your fridge and ask it for a recipe. Not only will it give you a few options, it'll give you the ingredient list, cooking instructions, cooking times, and whatever else you need. Can't remember the rules for gin rummy whilst on holiday? It will tell you the objectives, the rules and setup. Instead of using Google to find out where there is an Italian restaurant near you, ask Chat. I didn't even have to enter the town I was visiting. Okay, we have looked at a few reasons you might want to use Chat in your private life, but let's start looking at how you can use it in your business. To start, let's navigate to chatgpt.com. Because I already have an account, it will ask me to just log in. If you are new to Chat, then you can either create an account or simply start using it. I would suggest you create an account, as you will see the benefit of all of your prompts being saved, so you can refer back to them at a later date, rather than starting from scratch each time. I'll let you decide. Here's the good news. Chat is free no matter how many conversations you start or how long you interact with it. But if you are going to start using it for your business, I highly recommend that you purchase a plan. Prices start at £20 per month. The first thing you notice is that the home screen has very little on it, and the How Can I Help field looks like it can only accept a few sentences. You can actually write about 3,000 words, I believe. To get started, select the pencil icon at the top left of the page to start writing your first prompt. You also have a close sidebar icon that allows you to open and close the left-hand menu if you need more screen space. One question I get is if you're writing more than 2 sentences, does formatting matter or do you need to use hard returns for paragraphs, bullet points, numbered lists? Fortunately, the answer is no. Chat doesn't really seem to care about formatting. It's also very forgiving with misspellings and grammatical issues, so feel free to go wild. I have even used the wrong words, and it has still given me the answer I was looking for. Another question I get is, how do I do a hard return so I can start a new paragraph? Normally, when you hit the return button on the keyboard, Chat executes the command. Simply hold down the Shift button and then return. So now that we've signed in, I've got this sidebar here on the left, which includes this ChatGPT and then Explore GPTs. To the right, we have the temporary chat button, meaning that the chat won't appear in the history, use or create memories, or be used to train their models. The profile button contains your details and settings that you create. We're really only going to worry about the main screen, so we are not going to deal with any of this functionality. It's worth mentioning at this stage that you should always check the information you get back from Chat, as sometimes it can get confused and it will give you what is called an hallucination, which is false information that is pulled out of thin air. We want to avoid that by asking good questions. So let's start. Let's pretend we are a fitness coach who wants content for their Instagram and LinkedIn account. We start with a simple prompt and build it up step by step. Enter, give me content ideas for Instagram for a fitness coach. That's it, nothing fancy, and you'll get some useful content that you can start using. But it's super broad and not yet tailored to your client's needs. Now let's narrow it down a bit. What platforms are they on, and who are they trying to reach? Enter. Generate Instagram and LinkedIn content ideas for a fitness coach targeting busy moms. Now, the AI knows who the content is for and where it's going. That already makes it way more relevant. Next up, let's define how we want the content to feel. Let's say the coach is friendly and motivational. Use a friendly, motivational tone. Now we're getting closer to content that sounds like it was written by your client, not a robot. Let's now organize this into real strategy. Let's ask Chat to build content around 3 goals: engagement, authority, conversion. Here's the prompt. Enter. Create a 30-day content plan. Include posts that focus on engagement, like tips and questions, authority, like client wins, and conversion, like special offers or testimonials. This is where your prompt starts to become a mini content strategy. Now you're not just getting ideas, you're getting ready-to-use content. Let's combine everything into one expert-level prompt. Here's the final version. Enter. Act as a senior digital marketing strategist. My client is a fitness coach targeting busy moms. Create a 30-day content strategy for Instagram and LinkedIn that includes engagement-focused posts, questions, polls, tips, authority-building posts, case studies, thought leadership, results, conversion-focused posts, offers, CTAs, testimonials. Use a friendly, motivational tone. Include post formats and a short caption for each. Let's make this scroll-stopping. This is the kind of prompt that saves hours of brainstorming and makes you look like a genius. And that's how you go from a simple prompt to a full-blown content strategy generator powered by Chat or any other similar application. That's the first chapter of this mini course. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. We will be back shortly with Chapter 2, where we will be exploring more advanced AI tutorials and some practical applications. Thanks for watching and happy prompting!